उतनी ही प्रैक्टिस ज़रूरी है MCQ की जितना थ्योरी पार्ट होता है।
एक ही फैकल्टी से पढ़ो, बार बार पढ़ो,
and your dreams will come true.
If you study with passion, you can do anything, and subject becomes very easy, whatever it is.
कौन सा अटेम्प्ट था नीट पीजी? फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में रैंक 60।
Yes sir.
कनेक्ट टू सीनियर्स, कनेक्ट टू टीचर्स बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है।
माइक्रो पढ़ी थी मैम से मैंने, एंड माइक्रो में ऐसे रट्टा बोलते हैं कि रट्टा है, बट इतना है नहीं। वो मैम ने पूरा ढंग से समझाया था एंड पूरा वो अच्छे से याद हुआ था।
ममता मैम, माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। हमारा बायोकेम में जाम्बुलकर सर, विवेक सर एंड प्रदीप सर, आपने बहुत हेल्प करी सर हमारे लिए।
जो भी हो सर फॉलो करो और पास हो जाओगे, पक्की बात है।
Hello बच्चों, क्या हाल चाल? So this is a trademark of PW Meded. I am sure you must have heard this multiple times. So we are doing it for the first time for PW Meded result celebration. And we are very, very excited to have toppers of NEET PG, FMG qualified students, first year distinction holders. Were you a distinction holder?
No.
Okay. You? Obviously. So first year distinction holder, second year distinction holder, and we are actually going to share their insights to all the lakhs of students who are preparing for the exams, because I know that when your juniors will listen to you for sure, they won't listen to any one of us. How much ever we say, the word coming from your mouth from a person who has achieved has much, much more importance than any one of us. So welcome you all for that event, first of all, and thank you for giving your time and being present here. PW Meded, if you have seen, we have been there for close to 1.5 years plus. And this NEET PG was such a tussle. Maximum number of postponements, preponements, and whatever NMC decides, they will do it. I don't think so any exam got postponed the day before the exam, 10 p.m. Right? So NMC gives lots of variety. Right? You won't see so many cases when you come outside, but NMC gives lots of variety. And we were able to provide the app free for most of the students in that time. I hope it helped. And the live classes, what we have for prof batches, to start them very early, because MBBS journey is a long thing. It's not that you read for something, you clear your NEET PG, that's done. That's what they must have told you in 10th standard. Just 2 years, everything is sorted. Right? It will not get sorted. It's MD, MS or DM, MCH or fellowship. It's a lifelong learning journey, and hope we were able to support you in that. And the live batches, the interactions, what we have been first year, second year, we started for early clinical exposure with the third year Shushruta batch as well. And hope we'll be changing many more routes, and whatever NMC changes, hopefully we'll be able to implement it first. And please don't ask the question of when is next, because no one knows that, and we don't want to get into it. So I'd like to welcome Dr. Rishabh and Dr. Sandeep as well here. And let's start. Any words, Sandeep, before?
Guys, congratulations for all the achievements that you have. I know the journey was difficult. Sir has told, postponement, preponement, all that nonsense. You have learned and, you lived through it. I know it's a difficult journey. You're sitting here and we are equally happy to celebrate your achievements. So let's kick it. Rishabh, sir.
So welcome to PW Meded result celebration of 2024. I congratulate all the NEET PG toppers, FMG qualified students, distinction holder of first and second prof. So a brief journey of the Meded in the past 1.5 years. So in the past 1.5 years, we have had 1 lakh plus live learners on our app with an average rating of 4.7 for all of our teachers. 170,000 plus subscribers on our YouTube channel across Meded platforms. And this, I think, is a very big achievement for a young platform like us. I'd like to thank all the PW Meded team, especially all the faculties who have dedicated their hours. Some of us are working, and even after work, they have put in a lot of effort teaching students. And I also want to thank all those students who have shown faith in us, in our platform, and have secured amazing ranks in NEET PG and FMG. Thank you so much.
So let's start the celebration by calling the NEET PG toppers one by one, and wait till the last moment. We'll have cake cutting and we'll distribute the cakes as well. Fine?
So firstly, I would like to call Dr. Brajesh Shailesh Bhai Sudani on the floor.
Welcome, Brajesh. First of all, heartiest congratulations, sir. Rank 13 NEET PG 2024. Amazing rank. कंग्रेचुलेशंस ब्रिजेश, यार बहुत ही अमेजिंग रैंक है. अब फ्यू वर्ड्स आई वुड लाइक टू से कि जो सब लोग हमारे वीडियो देख रहे हैं, जूनियर्स के लिए मोटिवेटिंग वर्ड्स. तूने कैसे प्रिपरेशन अलग की? व्हाट हेल्प्ड यू गेटिंग टॉप 13?
सर वन थिंग इज ट्रस्ट योर फैकल्टीज, बिकॉज हम जूनियर्स में क्या ट्रेंड है कि एक फैकल्टी से पढ़ते हैं, फिर नहीं इसमें फॉर्मो रह गया तो दूसरी फैकल्टी से पढ़ने जाते हैं. एक ही फैकल्टी से पढ़ो, बार बार पढ़ो. सारी फैकल्टीज बेस्ट ही है, वेदर इट बी एनी प्लेटफॉर्म. स्टिक टू द वन फैकल्टी एंड डू मैक्सिमम रिविजन एज पॉसिबल.
तो हमारे PW मेडिट प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्या अच्छा लगा तेरे को?
सर फैकल्टीज, आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग यू सिंस वेरी लॉन्ग.
थैंक यू.
Sir, Ranjit sir, also Mamta ma'am, I have been following everyone since very long time.
Thank you so much, Brijesh. Thank you.
I would like to call Dr. Ayan Agarwal on the floor.
Hello, Ian. Welcome. So we've interacted before, and it's warm to see you face to face in person. So first of all, congratulations. Rank of 136 among 2.2 lakh people is not an easy feat at all. So congrats for it. So what branch are you going to take?
Sir, I'm planning to take up internal medicine in Dr. RML Hospital, New Delhi. And I've always had an interest in medicine right from my second year, and I think major credit goes to you, Ranjit sir, because you have made pathology so interesting. Because patho forms the core of every clinical subject, be it medicine or surgery or obs gynae. Be it any clinical subject, if you have got concepts of your pathology cleared, the pathophysiology behind the disease, then you can understand the symptoms, how are the symptoms appearing, and what treatment to give. So that puzzle solving, I think, is patho really helps in that.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you for an amazing future. Thank you.
I would like to call Dr. Ashish Kumar Parida with All India rank 659.
एक ऑनेस्ट सवाल है, ठीक है. रैंक आने से पहले और रैंक आने के बाद ब्रांच चेंज की है या फिर पहले से फिक्स था?
नहीं सर, फ्रॉम माई सेकेंड ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स ओनली आई एम ए मेडिसिन गाय. इट्स माई क्लियर सर, मेडिसिन ही लेना है.
अपन हिलेगा नहीं.
वो हिलेगा. ग्रेट यार, ग्रेट. कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर एन अमेजिंग रैंक. थैंक
और सर मैं एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट बताना चाहूँगा. PW का एक टेलीग्राम का ऋषभ सर का लाइव इवेंट हो रहा था, तो आई वॉज वेरी कॉन्फ्यूज एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. तो मैंने सर से पूछा कि सर मेरा 6000 के आसपास बुक मार्क हो गए हैं, हाउ टू सॉल्व दैट. तो सर ने मुझे काफ़ी हेल्प किया था और मैं डीमोटिवेटेड हो गया था. तो सर ने बोला कॉपी ले और उसमें लिख कि ऋषभ सर ने बोला है आई एम गेटिंग ए रैंक एंड आई विल डू योर इंटरव्यू. मैंने एग्जैक्टली लिखा था और सर को पिक भी भेजी थी. एंड आफ्टर द रैंक सर हैज टेकन माई इंटरव्यू.
अमेजिंग यार, अमेजिंग.
So I really think, believe your mentors, listen to them, and your dreams will come true. Thank you.
Great.
Thank you.
I would like to call now Dr. Mohsin Wani with All India rank 60.
Congratulations, Mohsin. So Mohsin, just एक क्वेश्चन है तुझसे. कौन सा अटेम्प्ट था नीट पीजी?
फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट.
फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में रैंक 60.
यस सर.
कहाँ से पढ़ा है?
Sir, in professional years, mainly standard books. Then during internship, I compiled the information around PYQs and PYTs. Then
MBBS में standard textbooks all years.
Yes, throughout all years.
Amazing. आगे क्या प्लान है? क्या लेना है?
Sir, medicine, general medicine.
इंटरनल मेडिसिन?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा क्या कीड़ा है यार मेडिसिन का?
ये भी नहीं हिलेगा सर.
रेडियो नहीं लेनी?
नहीं हिलेगा.
चल, वन ऑफ द फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स हु बच नहीं होते टॉप रैंक आके रेडियो लेने में. प्राउड ऑफ यू.
Thank you so much.
ग्रेट.
Now I would like to call Dr. Nandini with All India rank 255.
So I'll ask the same question to Nandini, like what Rishabh asked, because Nandini had shifted lots of branches before. I think before counseling, she'll have a thought of every branch. But Nandini, like you had said previously, like you didn't expect this rank, and you had something different in mind, and obviously you have got an amazing rank. So what changed that made you from whatever you had in mind to 255? What did you do in the last few months or few weeks? What changed?
So one takeaway from my preparation is before May INISET 2024, I didn't solve enough MCQs and I kept on focusing on reading the stuff again and again. But after the May INISET, it was my sort of eye-opener and I started focusing more on MCQs and I've revised the whole stuff with MCQs after May INISET. And in a way, PW Meded actually helped after it has given all the QBank modules for free for all the PG aspirants after the postponement. It was sort of like a moral support to all the students that we are there, we are here to help. So my take-home point from my story is please solve a lot of MCQs and keep putting efforts, no matter how small, all of them will count at the end of the day.
Great, Nandini. Just last one question. Opthal, medicine or radio?
Oftal.
Opthal. Oh. Great. All the very best. Do well in future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So for the next segment, like students who are qualified for a FMG exam, I'd like to invite Dr. Siraj, Dr. Santosh and Dr. Sudha ma'am to felicitate them.
Alright, hi guys, so let's celebrate this special occasion with our FMG students and all our faculties over here. All the students, those who have struggled throughout this year, not only in India for getting, let's say, a rank here, and due to any reason, whatsoever reason, whenever they could not get it, they traveled all the way across to different foreign countries. They did their MBBS there in the harshest of the environment, and after this, they came here and cleared one of the toughest examination that is being conducted in our country. I think everyone has seen this. The result has been continuously 7 to 8% to 10%, and now it has increased to 20%. And the whole credit here goes to all our hardworking students. And many congratulations to all of you guys for all your hard work that you have put throughout this year, not only here for FMG, but also in your countries, in your foreign countries, wherever you have done your MBBS. इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे एक लाइन ऐड करूँगा कि for all the students those who are doing कहीं से भी MBBS कर रहे हो, करो MBBS कहीं से, पढ़ाई होगी यहीं से. At PW Meded for all of you guys. So I think we will start calling our students one by one.
I would like to call Dr. Shamsher Khan on the floor.
Dr. Shamsher, please. Many congratulations. A huge round of applause for Shamsher. Very nice. Shamsher, we would like to have few words from you. Tell us about your experience of learning medicine from Santosh sir.
During my study, MBBS studying, I was trying to study medicine, but at that time it was very difficult for me. But I started studying with Santosh sir last year, and now in medicine I got all correct in FMG.
Very nice, excellent. आपका एक मैसेज क्या है अपने जूनियर्स के लिए? अपने जूनियर्स को अगर एक मैसेज देना हो तो क्या मैसेज दोगे कि कैसे पढ़ाई करे वो? एक मैसेज एक लाइन में.
Very simple. Keep revising and revising and revising.
Excellent. That is the key for this examination. Revision is the key. Congratulations, doctor, once again, and best wishes for your NEET PG and upcoming journeys.
I would like to call Dr. Nagma and Dr. Shalini Mishra on the floor.
Dr. Nagma, Dr. Shalini, please. A huge round of applause once again for Dr. Nagma. And again a huge round of applause for Shalini for this wonderful score in FMG examination that was conducted recently. A few words from both of you. Dr. Shalini, what was your score in FMG examination? I think it's...
My score is 159.
Okay, that's a wonderful score. Let me tell our audience, FMG is one of the examination that is a screening examination where students have to get 50%. So if you are getting 50%, that's closely, or I would say very much equal to 300. And if you are getting 149, that is considered fail. So you all have to do all the journey again for the 6 months. So we usually say, let's say it's nothing better than a 0, because you are going to start your journey all over once again. So that's a wonderful score. What's your plan ahead and how you are going to proceed for the PG?
सर मेरे को आगे डरमा से करना है.
Very nice.
It's too tough for me, like,
Right.
But still I will try my best.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, what is your message to your juniors, those who are doing MBBS? When should they start preparing for this FMG examination?
सर एक्चुअली मैक्सिमम बच्चों का ये होता है कि वो सोचते हैं कि टफ एग्ज़ाम है, नहीं हो पाएगा, और वो मैक्सिमम ये सोचते हैं कि मतलब लाइक प्रीवियसली वो लोग जो भी रिजल्ट देखे हैं तो अपने में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ पाता है. तो उनको मेनली कॉन्फिडेंट रहना है और अपने आप को मेंटली खुद सपोर्ट करना है, और जहाँ हेल्प लगे वहाँ टीचर से सपोर्ट लेना है. लाइक आपने मेरे को बहुत मेंटली सपोर्ट करा है, तो मेरे जर्नी में आपका बिग रोल है.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
And ये सब आपका हार्ड वर्क है. And I would also say that God's grace, God's की blessing की वजह से we are seeing this day. Congratulations and best wishes for your upcoming journey ahead. Thank you, doctor. Sir, few words for Nagma.
Okay, so how was your journey through the FMG preparation? Because I know it's a very difficult exam. तो आपने कैसे प्लान किया?
सर एक्चुअली मेरा जो ये अटैम्प्ट था वो सेकंड अटैम्प्ट था. फर्स्ट वाज लाइक मैंने थोड़ा सा इजीली लिया बिकॉज मैं थ्रू कॉलेज टाइम में अपने कंसिस्टेंट थी स्टडी को लेके. तो जब मैंने कंप्लीट किया एंड देन फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट में आया तो आई वाज थिंक लाइक इट्स इजी, हो जाएगा. बट दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट मिस्टेक. एंड जब मेरे को रिजल्ट आया एंड आई वाज शॉक विद द रिजल्ट. बट सेकेंड टाइम मैंने टीचर्स की हेल्प ली और उन्होंने मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा मेंटली सपोर्ट किया. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे इतना ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि बेटा जो तुम्हारी मिस्टेक्स हैं उसको एनालाइज करो और उनको क्लियर करने की कोशिश करो कि क्या तुम मिस्टेक्स कर रही हो. देन मेरा रिजल्ट अच्छा आ पाया.
Okay, so let me ask you one more question because you spoke about the mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Generally, we learn from our seniors' mistakes. So, can you name one or two important mistakes that made the difference in your second attempt?
Yes, sir. Sir, the mistakes were बच्चे जो हैं MCQs कई बार कम करते हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू जो थ्योरी कंटेंट होता है. हम लोग ज़्यादातर ये सोचते हैं कि थ्योरी ज़्यादा करते रहो तो हमारे इजीली MCQ जब हम करेंगे तो वो इजीली हो जाएंगे, जबकि अपोजिट होता है. उतनी ही प्रैक्टिस ज़रूरी है MCQ की जितना थ्योरी पार्ट होता है. तो बेसिकली MCQ भी बराबर करना होता है.
Okay, so that's a valid point, and thank you for this.
All right, chaliye, congratulations, Dr. Nagma, Dr. Shalini, many congratulations and best wishes for your future. Thank you, ma'am.
I would like to call Dr. Mansoor Alam and Monica Jha on the floor.
Dr. Mansoor, Dr. Monica. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Dr. Mansoor and Dr. Monica. Again, a huge round of applause for these students for their hard works. Just one question from each one of you once again.
The main question is that what is the one message you want to give to your juniors? कि क्या करना चाहिए during the 6 months that you get for your preparation?
First thing is revision revision में थोड़ा
Revision ज़्यादा करना चाहिए.
हाँ, रिविज़न ज़्यादा करना चाहिए और थोड़ा टाइम कम देना चाहिए क्योंकि एक सब्जेक्ट पे आप 5 दिन दोगे तो उसमें रिवीजन कम नहीं हो पाएगा.
Correct. Time management and revision.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So now tell me, what do you want to say? तुम्हारा क्या है कि क्या exactly करना चाहिए हमें?
Revising the same notes is the key, and of course Siraj sir has helped me a lot because pharma मेरे लिए बहुत tough था. मतलब मेरे लिए था नहीं ऐसा, पर सर मेरे लिए इतना इजी बनाए फार्मा की कहीं ना कहीं आज मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत मतलब अच्छा हो गया है.
Very good, very good. So revision and time management and Siraj sir, these are the 3 points of success. चलो, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, doctors, and all the very best. और आप अपने जूनियर्स को बोलना चाहोगे पढ़ाई करो कहीं से या MBBS करो यहीं से, पढ़ाई करो यहीं से?
MBBS करो कहीं से, पढ़ाई करो यहीं से.
बिल्कुल.
I would like to thank Dr. Sandeep sir for helping me out in my difficult times, and I would like to take surgery in my future plannings.
Very nice, very nice. All the very best, all the very best.
I would like to call Dr. Santosh Sankar and Dr. Arvind Vishwakarma.
Please welcome them.
Congratulations.
A huge round of applause once again for these hard-working students.
Congrats, sir.
Again, one word. What is the mantra to success?
रिवीजन 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 और डेली एमसीक्यू प्रैक्टिस करिए, बस यही है. और सिराज सर का बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा है हमारी जर्नी में. हाँ, थैंक यू.
हेलो सबको, थैंक यू. PW मेडिट जितने भी टीचर और फैकल्टीज़ है, गुड फैकल्टीज़. एंड मैं जो फॉलो करता हूँ PW मेडिट, पहले फर्स्टली सिराज सर, आपका बहुत बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा है. मेरा ये सेकंड अटेम्प्ट है. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट मेरा 139 था, बट मैंने क्वेश्चंस नहीं लगाया था उस टाइम. रिवीजन बट ज़रूरी है क्वेश्चंस करना, उसको समझना. टॉपिक्स क्लियर हो जाते हैं क्वेश्चन से, कभी कभी होता. बट मैं सिराज सर से मिला, सर के सजेशन लिए, जो कि मैं आज पास हूँ. एंड PW मेडिट फैकल्टीज़ लाइक मैं जो इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करता हूँ, लाइक जगदीश सर, क्योंकि एक रोड मॉडल है सर. एंड लास्ट टाइम मैंने क्लास ऑफलाइन क्लासेस ली थी, संदीप सर की सर्जरी. फैंटास्टिक क्लास सर, एकदम
सुपर.
एंड ममता मैम माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. और मेरे सबसे पुराने टीचर्स जिसे मैं स्टार्ट किया अपनी जर्नी MBBS से, वो हमारे विवेक सर, जो कि आजकल बहुत फेमस हैं इंस्टाग्राम रील्स पे, बहुत चर्चे में. सर आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. और मैं पूरी धन्यवाद PW मेड को करना चाहता हूँ, और यही है प्लानिंग सर. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much, and a huge round of applause once again for all
Yes,
our
huge
students.
round of
Many
applause.
congratulations to all of you.
Congratulations.
Okay, so moving ahead, I would like to invite once again Ranjit sir and Mamta ma'am to take this felicitation ceremony ahead, and they will be the one to call the rest of the students. Ranjit sir, Mamta ma'am, on the stage, please. All right, thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for joining us on the stage. And let us proceed further with our event. And we'll invite now our second year students for this felicitation.
I would like to call Dr. Khushi Garg and Dr. Ark Prava Mondal on the stage.
Khushi and Ark Prava on the stage, please. Congratulations to both of you
Congratulations.
for this wonderful journey. And I must say, second year is the time when you actually form the base. And this base is going to last throughout your medical career. Congratulations to you also, Dr. Prava. Many congratulations. One word from both of you, that what is your advice in making the concept in second year? Because this is one of the most important prof in the entire MBBS curriculum.
Sir, I think in second year, if the concept is clear, then will be easy to mastery in medicine and surgery. Because so I read a path from sir, and the hemat section of path is too much likable and too much. I liked it. I just started.
Very nice.
I just randomly started at 1 a.m. I remember, and I am so much fascinated. I continued till 6 a.m. that night. I am just fascinated by the hemat section.
Superb. That is the kind of dedication that we want from this student. आगे फार्मा भी पढ़ाई करना जरूरी है, बहुत important subject है.
And ma'am also teaches too much good. I just read many sections in Apurva Sastry book. I find difficult, and just switch to ma'am's lectures. I will find too much.
Very nice. Congratulations, doctor. Congratulations.
So any few words, Khushi, to your juniors who are, I think their exams are over, their first year must be waiting for results, and they'll definitely look up for you because you're a distinction holder. What few words for them?
I think study with passion because if you study with passion, medicine becomes very easy. It's not like very tough or something. To study with passion is, I think, it is most important. If you study with passion, you can do anything, and subject becomes very easy, whatever it is.
Passion is the word here. The key word is passion. Very nice. Congratulations, doctor.
I would like to call Krish Bansiwal and Prashant Pachauri.
Congratulations, Krish. Huge round of applause once again for Prashant. All the very best, guys, for your upcoming prof examination. And I have something to ask from all of you guys, because all of you guys are distinction holder in your MBBS. What is extra that you are going to do from PW Med in your third year that you think that will bring again distinction in the third year?
सर बेसिकली जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करे थे सर ने और मैम ने, मतलब बहुत अच्छे से किए थे. और अभी जैसे हम मेडिसिन वगैरह की पोस्टिंग भी जाते हैं तो हम मतलब बेसिक से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं किसी भी डिजीज़ वगैरह की. तो पैथ और माइक्रो तो मस्ट ही है उसके लिए. फार्मा में जो ड्रग्स वगैरह भी होती हैं, तो बेसिकली ओवरऑल होलसम कवर हो जाता है.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस.
यस, सेकेंड ईयर में जो पैथ एंड माइक्रो एंड फार्मा, ये तीनों सब्जेक्ट आगे तक इतने काम आते हैं कि मेडिसिन सर्जरी आपकी सारी बेस बनाती है. एंड सर से मैंने पैथ पढ़ी थी एंड मैंने हिमैट के लेक्चर्स मेरे को इतने पसंद आए थे कि मैंने 2 बार देखे हूँ. एंड वो पूरा मेडिसिन कवर हो जाता है उसमें. अगर मेडिसिन के भी क्यू बैंक सॉल्व करोगे तो पूरे सॉल्व होते हैं. एंड माइक्रो से मैम से मैंने माइक्रो पढ़ी थी मैम से मैंने. एंड माइक्रो में ऐसे रट्टा बोलते हैं कि रट्टा है बट इतना है नहीं. वो मैम ने पूरा ढंग से समझाया था एंड पूरा वो अच्छे से याद हुआ था.
Very nice, very nice. Congratulations, very nice, very nice. Okay, so moving forward, I would like to invite our first prof faculties for felicitating our first year distinction holder students. Sir, please on the stage.
Thank you,
Please
thank you.
welcome our faculties. I would say the senior most faculties that we have in our entire 19 prof to felicitate our first prof students. Please announce the name, ma'am.
I would like to call Mohammad Aram, Shivam, and Mohammad Ayush on the floor.
Doctors, please, students, please on the stage. All right. A huge round of applause for these students for getting distinction in MBBS. And I'm sure they are going to outshine the rest of their MBBS journeys as well. Shivam. Congratulations and a huge round of applause for Shivam for getting distinction in first Prof MBBS. And I'm sure they are going to do the similar kind of result in second year and onwards. Congratulations once again to Ayush. So I think sir has something to ask from all of you guys.
So कैसे रहा फर्स्ट ईयर? एंजॉयड?
फर्स्ट ईयर तो सर सही था. जैसे अभी स्कूल से ट्रांजिशन होता है तो थोड़ा रहता है सिलेबस, तो उसमें पीडब्ल्यू ने काफ़ी हेल्प करी. हमारा बायोकेम में जाम्बुलकर सर, विवेक सर एंड प्रदीप सर, आपने बहुत हेल्प करी सर हमारे लिए.
So enjoyed first year?
यस सर, बहुत एंजॉय किया.
Okay. What about you? How was it?
सर फर्स्ट ईयर बहुत अच्छा था और मैं राजेश जम्बुल सर का थैंक यू करना चाहूँगा. शायद ही कोई फर्स्ट ईयर का MBBS स्टूडेंट होगा जिसने सर के लेक्चर नहीं देखे होंगे बायोकेम के. वो बहुत हेल्पफुल हैं.
Very good, very good.
थैंक यू सर.
गिरते पड़ते फर्स्ट ईयर ख़त्म हो गया और मुझे सीनियर्स ने हेल्प करी, टीचर्स ने हेल्प करी. बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प चाहिए होती है, तो फर्स्ट ईयर में जो आ रहा है, कनेक्ट टू सीनियर्स, कनेक्ट टू टीचर्स बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. वो ट्रांजिशन बहुत हेक्टिक होता है. और जम्बुलकर सर, मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई ऐसा होगा जिसे बायोकेम में सर का नाम नहीं पता होगा. बेस्ट सर, बेस्ट.
Congratulations, very nice.
सेकेंड ईयर के लिए
excellent,
पढ़ रहे हैं सर.
Very nice. वो सेकेंड ईयर में मिलेंगे हम आपसे.
है सर सेकेंड ईयर.
टेंशन नहीं करिए.
मुझे एक
Second
बात
year-
पूछनी है सर. हाँ, मुझे एक बात पूछनी है कि PW प्लेटफॉर्म ने आपको कैसी हेल्प की पढ़ने में फर्स्ट ईयर में?
सर सबसे पहली बात तो ये कि सारी वीडियोस कंसाइज हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे नोट्स हैं जो प्रॉफ में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करते हैं. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस, ये सब कुछ बिल्कुल सेग्रीगेटेड हैं. सर के जो एनाटमी में 3D मॉडल्स हैं, सर की फिजियोलॉजी में जो क्लिनिकल कोरिलेशंस हैं, और आपके साइकिल्स याद करवाने के तरीके, निमोनिक्स, वो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करते हैं.
तो अपने जूनियर को क्या सजेशन दोगे?
जूनियर्स को मैं बस सजेशन दूंगा कि सर को फॉलो करो. जो भी हो सर फॉलो करो और पास हो जाओगे, पक्की बात है।
थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑल ऑफ यू, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। सेकेंड ईयर में आप लोग को ऐसे ही करना है। जो फर्स्ट ईयर वाले हैं जिनको लग रहा है कि मैंने बहुत अच्छा किया है, सेकेंड ईयर में पीडब्ल्यू मेडेट के पास जो लाइन ऑफ फैकल्टीज़ है वो आपको इससे बेहतर करने में मदद करेगी। और सेकेंड ईयर वाले जो अभी गए हैं यहाँ से, आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ थर्ड ईयर में उससे बेटर सेट ऑफ फैकल्टीज मिलने वाले हैं। सो ट्राई कीप लर्निंग, मेक श्योर द लर्निंग नेवर स्टॉप एट पीडब्ल्यू मेडेट। सो वी हैव वन मोर सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट। थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइस।
Now I would like to call Vasu Verma on the floor.
Vasu. Congratulations and please welcome Vasu with a huge round of applause for getting distinction in first year MBBS.
So congratulations Vasu, कैसे रहा?
Thank you sir. It was amazing. My favorite subject in first year was anatomy because sir made it very easy for me. One more thing, I didn't paid much attention to biochemistry whole year, but in the last 1 month before final prof exam, I just watched Jambulkar sir lectures and he made this volatile subject or dry subject very easy for me with the help of mnemonics and flowchart. Thank you very much sir.
So anatomy, enjoy distinction in anatomy.
No sir, I missed a distinction in anatomy by 4 marks.
Okay. But good.
Distinction in biochemistry.
Live lectures सब सारे attend किया. Good, very good. So how was your the journey of learning?
It was amazing.
So the PW Medet faculties did help you to understand the concepts.
Yes sir, it helped me a lot. Concepts were very good in PW Medet lectures.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, doctor. Congratulations. And I'm sure that you are going to have a similar kind of experience in second year. All the very best. Thank you so much, sir, for coming
Thank
here.
you. Thank you,
we'll
sir.
proceed further with the
Thank
program.
you.
Thank you very much, sir. All right. So this was the felicitation ceremony that we were going through, and we heard the testimonial from the student how they actually did it. It was not easy for them. And for this, a huge round of applause once again for our students and for our teachers. By all of you, please. All these students, they have gone through a lot, but how did they achieve it? Was it easy? And what is the role of PW Medet in all of them? Let us go through that what we have to offer for our upcoming students. So at the PW Medet, not only the prof-wise lectures that we have that is going in live, we are also having recorded lectures. We have a question bank of more than 15,000 questions that is well curated and proofreaded by the faculties. Not only that, there is a separate section for PYQs, grand test, where a student can actually evaluate and they can compare their result with any student, those who are giving this examination from any part of the country. Recently, we have introduced some of the important features. Like, for example, we have introduced AI Guru, where you can actually ask your doubts 24/7 and you will be getting your doubts cleared from the standard reference. It's not like you're going to get a doubt from, from Google, but from the standard textbook of the medical science. Then 3D models also we are having for the important subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, ophthalmology, and in coming days, the 3D model is going to be incorporated in other subjects as well. So this was one of the important feature that has been announced in PW Medet 2.0. I'm sure the future students are going to get benefited by these features that we have launched with PW Medet. Thank you very much to all of you guys. But before we call it a day, I would like to invite all our teachers and students.
आए शून्य से अलग तक, हम शून्य से अलग तक, हम शून्य से अलग तक, आए शून्य से अलग तक, हम शून्य